In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut and paste in Excel. We'll walk through the exact sequence, explain what's happening behind the scenes, and share a few simple tips so you can move data confidently without surprises. First, click the cell that you want to move. You'll know it's selected when you see the highlight around it, and the cell reference in the name box updates. If you're moving more than one cell, you can drag to select a range, but the idea is the same. Make sure the correct content is highlighted before you continue. Taking a second to confirm your selection now saves time fixing mistakes later. Next, press Ctrl+X on your keyboard. This is the Cut command, which tells Excel you want to move the data, not duplicate it. You should see a moving dashed outline, often called marching ants, around your selection. That outline means the content is staged to be moved. On a Mac, use Command+X. While the dashed outline is visible, the data is temporarily marked for relocation, and it will stay that way until you paste or press Escape to cancel. The original content will remain visible in place until you complete the paste. Now, go to the cell where you want to paste. Click once to position the active cell. If you cut a single cell, Excel will paste into that exact spot. If you cut a range, Excel will paste starting at the active cell's top left corner and expand to fit the original shape. Be mindful of what's already in the destination. Pasting will overwrite existing content. Also note that if the sheet is protected or the destination is locked, Excel may block the paste. Finally, press Ctrl+V to paste. On a Mac, that's Command+V. Your data moves to the new location, and the original cell is cleared. By default, Excel carries over both the content and its formatting, so fonts, colors, and number formats typically travel with the data. If you were moving formulas, Excel adjusts relative references to match the new position, while absolute references with $signs stay fixed. If you realize you pasted into the wrong place, press Ctrl+Z to undo immediately and try again. That's all there is to it. Select the cell, press Ctrl+X, go to the destination, and press Ctrl+V. Use this quick workflow to reorganize sheets, tidy up lists, and move values or formulas without retyping. With a little practice, cut and paste becomes second nature and helps keep your workbooks clean and accurate.